Hello everyone. One thing that's very important to know how to do is to check Safe Assign when you do your assignments. What it will do is check what you have written against all of the material that it knows on the web and all of the previous assignments that other students have done over the years, and points out to you where you might have done a little too much copying. Remember, you do not want to be hit with a plagiarism charge. You want to use your own words or correctly cited quotations when you write in college. We're going to go through the steps on how you can get Safe Assign to work and how you are going to be able to look at the reports both before you get graded and after you get graded. I'm now logged in as a fictional student, and I'm going to go to Unit 3, where there's an assignment where I have to send in material about pertussis, or whooping cough. Here's the link to the assignment, the directions, and here I want to attach a file. I'm going to browse my computer for it. Pertussis paper, open it. That's now linked in. And here under Plagiarism Tools, you do have to click the little box that says, I agree to submit my papers to the Global Reference Database. That's you being totally honest and saying, I believe that what I did is great. I will then submit the assignment. It will generate the preview of what my work looks like. There it is. And if you note over here where the grade information is going to go, there is a Safe Assign area. And over here it says Report in Progress. That means it's currently looking. It's going to take about 5 minutes for that to happen. So I'm going to pause briefly while those 5 minutes go by. 5 minutes has gone by, and here I have my report from Safe Assign. 41% of this paper was found matched. Let's see, by clicking View Originality Report, what comes up. Okay, there's one sentence: pneumonia strikes 12% of infants and 5% of all patients overall, with my in-text citation. That's a fairly basic sentence, and it would be a little bit difficult to reword it. That's the kind of sentence that doesn't bother me. However, here, the entire last paragraph is copied. If you were doing my Research Methods Week 3 assignment, that was exactly what you were supposed to do. I wanted you to see what happens when you plagiarize on purpose or accidentally. But you can see all of that material is colored. We look over here for where it was found, and it says another student's paper. Often you won't get a specific URL to go to find the original. It's just telling me that another student at another time used the same resources that I did and copied the same material, and Safe Assign found it. For any assignment other than this one that made you plagiarize, you might want to take the Safe Assign report to heart and decide to do some editing. Do some paraphrasing. Take the exact words, consider them, erase them, wait a minute or two, and then rewrite what you remember of the details there, because you want to have your own words show up. That's what your instructors want. What you might have to do, sometimes you are not able to submit a second document, but send an email to your instructor. Say, I took a look at the SafeAssign report and decided to do some paraphrasing, and this attached document here is how I edited my own work, and I hope that you will use this one instead of my first assignment because I want to get the best possible grade. Okay, I'm now looking at the grades, and here we have Unit 3 writing assignment. It's graded, and I got 50 points out of 50 points. That's wonderful, but let's see what shows up. I can just click the link to that particular assignment. And this is where I get the feedback to learner. Please click the SafeAssign icon above to see the report. You fulfilled the directions for this assignment well. So I click SafeAssign. It says View Originality Report, and now you as the student can take a look at this and say, okay, this turned out to be all right. For another class though, remember this last paragraph you're going to have to reword because your instructor doesn't want it word for word from the original resource. Back here I can find the comments made along the way, and here I'm the instructor, Joyce Peterson. Here I say SafeAssign reports that this sentence is copied from another resource. Consider rewording it. As I said before, it's a very standard short sentence with a couple of statistics in it. It might be able to stand just the way that it is. However, here where the copy is where the material is copied, it says this paragraph was properly copied as per the directions for this assignment. For any other paper, you would need to reword the material. So now you've seen what you need to do to get SafeAssign to look at your material, how you can read the SafeAssign report, do some editing if necessary, and when your instructor sends back your graded material, how to view that originality report and take a look at the comments that your instructor gave you. I hope this is going to be a very useful tool to you in all of your assignments to come.